Cocoa Beach. Beach and Boards Fest. Nice sandcastle. Cool. We are Grind for Life, our favorite charities. We're going to come here later with the chickens and sit with them. Check this out. Hi.
Hey.
Recycled plastic everywhere.
Max Saya. How long have you been wakeboarding, Max? He's 13, only been wakeboarding 3 years. So let's see what you got here, Max. Oh, we're gonna make this thing faster, louder, bigger. All right, so it looks like he's getting his boots and bindings on. Safety first. Again, thank you to Ron John Surf Shop and Billabong for putting this all together. Head on over to the shop and check out the section and all your spring break gear. And here we go, Max is up first. He's gonna start with the rail. Oh, what? Let these guys hear it. I have no idea what that trick was. Preston, also from Orlando. Here, you're my statistician. Come on up, come closer. Preston Persichetti. They call him Double P. He's gonna go huge here. I can't even get up on a wakeboard behind a boat, but these guys are doing it over concrete. So let them hear it. Here you go, Preston. Ready when you are. Looks like you can hit the rail too. Whoa! Thank you to Step Up Production for bringing this giant pool full of water, which is very nice to land in compared to concrete. Over concrete. Yeah, all these guys are from the capital of wakeboarding, which is Orlando, Florida. Next year we're going to get live gators to put into it. Oh, nice. All right, is he going to hit the ramp? No, he's going to go through the ramp. All right, he's going to go up in the air, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear it. Once you hear that loud noise, it's going to happen. And here he goes. Whoa! That was sketchy. He's like, I wasn't planning that. Whoa. All right. 13-year-old Preston, here he goes. Whoa! What? That was psycho. On that second arm, he's ready. Oh, he did it for you. Is it proper? Still working?
I don't know the song for Chicken King. You got the song?
Chicken dance.
What came first, you or the chicken?
Hey, thanks for watching our video today. Every Tuesday at noon we put out a new video about Cocoa Beach boating, fishing, and life here in general. Also, if you want to move here, I am a real estate broker here. We own Happy House Real Estate. Contact us and we'll set you up in one of these beautiful waterfront houses. Thanks.